Hello everyone, today is International Women's Day, but let me ask you one question. Are we celebrating women or truly respecting their strength? A woman is not just a role, she is a creator of families, a builder of society, and a silent warrior of progress. Every successful nation has one thing in common: strong, educated, confident women. But really, respect is not shown by one day of celebration. Real respect is shown by opportunity, equality, and belief in her dreams. When a woman rises, a family rises, a society rises, and a nation rises. So, this Women's Day, don't just say Happy Women's Day. Create a world where every woman can say, I am respected, I am capable, and I am unstoppable. If you truly believe women deserve equal rights, respect, and opportunity, share this message and be part of the change. From my side, Happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Wow.